If you're experiencing login failures on the Supabase dashboard, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify and fix common problems. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity issues. Step 2. Reset your password. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use ASRock to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Verify email confirmation. Make sure your email is verified. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from Supabase and follow the link to verify your account. Step 4. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 5. Check Supabase status. Visit the Supabase status page to see if there are any ongoing outages or maintenance that could be affecting your ability to log in. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to Supabase support for further assistance.